Hello. Here is one complement of a binary numbers. One's complement and there are two complements of binary numbers are used in digital electronics for their different applications. Before we start, we are going to one's complement of a binary number. There is a simple logarithm to convert a binary number into its one's complement. To get the one's complement of a binary number, simply invert the given number. Replace is 0 to 1 and 1 into 0. Here, some examples are shown that find the one's complement of a binary number 10101110. Simply invert each bit of a given binary number so as one's complement of a given number will be 01010001. The second example is that find one's complement of a binary number 100001.001. That is a fractional binary number. So to convert that binary number into its one's complement format, replace each 0 by 1 and 1 by 0. So we get one's complement of the given number is 01110.110. There is third example. Find the one's complement of 3-bit binary numbers. It is similar to that above numbers. Here 000, the one's complement is 111. Second number is 001, its one's complement is 110. And third number is 010, its one's complement to 101. Similarly, we can get one's complement of any binary number. It is a very simple method in which we are replacing each 0 into 1 and 1 into 0. Now, here there is a uses of a one's complement of binary numbers. There are so many uses of one's complement of binary number, mainly in sign binary numbers representation, and it is used in various arithmetic operations for binary numbers, for example addition and subtraction, etc. Now the next is a 2's complement of any binary numbers. 2's complement of binary numbers is obtained by adding 1 to its one's complement. There is a simple algorithm to convert binary numbers into its 2's complement. So to get 2's complement of any binary number, simply invert the given number, that is replace each 0 to 1 and 1 to 0 of that binary numbers and add 1 to the least significant bit, LSB bit of that one's complement. So 2's complement of a binary number A is equal to 1's complement of A plus 1. Here some examples are shown. In example number first, Find the 2's complement of a binary number. Find a 2's complement of binary number 1010110 is simply invert each bit of a given binary number, which will be 01 01 0001, that is the 1's complement of that binary number. Then add 1 to the LSB of this result. So we are getting 01 01 0001 plus 1 is equal to 01 01 0010, which is the 2's complement of that given number. In second example, here find the 2's complement of binary numbers. Note that binary numbers is in fractional format. That binary number is 10001.001. Simply invert each bit of a given binary number, which will be 01110.110. Then add to the LSB of this result, that is 01110.110 plus 1, we get the 01110.111, which is the 2's complement of the given binary numbers 10001.001. Here some examples are shown. There is a 3-bit binary numbers are shown. That 3-bit binary number 000, its 1's complement is a 111 and its 2's complement is a 000. Second is a 001, its 1's complement is a 1110, its 2's complement is a 111. In third example, 010, its 1's complement is a 101 and its 2's complement is a 110. And the fourth example, 011, its 1's complement is 100, its 2's complement is a 101. We can simply find out 2's complement of any binary numbers. It is a very simple process. First of all, make its 1's complement by replacing 0 to 1 and 1 to 0, then add 1 to its LSB, then we are getting the 2's complement of any binary numbers. What are the applications? What are the uses of 2's complement binary numbers? There are various uses of 2's complement of binary numbers, mainly in signed binary numbers representation and various mathematical operations of binary number similar to the 1's complement of binary number. It is used in addition, subtraction, since 2's complement subtraction representations is very useful in computer number representation. Now in next topic we are going to see 1's complement subtraction method and 2's complement subtraction method, in which we are useful that 1's complement of binary numbers and 2's complement of binary number. It is a very simple process to convert any binary number into its 1's complement format, also in 2's complement format.